What's the meaning of carbon copy? Carbon copy. Carbon copy.
Carbon copy. Carbon copy. Carbon copy refers to a reproduction of a document made by placing it between sheets of carbon paper and pressing down on the top sheet to transfer the ink onto the bottom sheet. This process was commonly used before the advent of photocopiers and digital printing. The result is a duplicate of the original document, with the same text and formatting. The term carbon copy is also used metaphorically to refer to a person or thing that closely resembles or imitates another.